Hello everybody, and this is another medicine I haven't unboxed yet. And in the package that I told you a couple of videos I published last month. That is in the back package. It's almost done. One more, after this one is one more left. And this medicine, I think I have never unboxed this before. This medicine for adult. For treatment cough and chest congestion, DM is a nighttime medicine. And they have the two different type of drugs in here. One is for treatment cough suppressant. The second one for expectorants. Excuse me. This is for control cough, release jet congestion, thin and loosen mucus. It's non-browsy, and they look like raspberry to me. Better tasting, same effective cough release, and DM is decent for nighttime for age 12 and over. Yeah, let me unbox this and then I go over these later, so you don't have to. If anyone want to just see the unbox inside the package, I don't have to wait. I will stop because that will take time. Okay, this nothing here. This will look like the same with the nails on the box. And I have a little cup on here for you to measure, and they have a relabel direction. Wash after use. 20 milligram right here, up here. And yeah, how you open it. Push down and turn to open. Close tightly. Okay, push down and turn. Oh. Let me see. Push down and turn as well. Push down and turn to open. Oh. Okay, let me see. No? Oh, you have to tear this one out. Okay. Yeah, it's just a strawberry. It's losing this because this medicine has been a long time, like I told you. I just took it out here. Okay, let me cover it up and then I read the direction for how you use. They have it here too, but the word size is on. So I take a look here. Here for the direction, do not take more than 6 doses in any 24 hours period. Measure only with the dosing cup provided. This one. Keep dosing cup with product. ml is a milliliter. This adult product is not intended for use in children under 12 years of age. Age adults and children 12 years and over. Dose 20 milliliter every 4 hours. Children under 12 years do not use. So this is every time users have to fill up this time. I just open for you to see. I don't use this because I don't need it now. Also, this medicine I told you in the last couple of videos. This is been a long time. I open so I can throw away too because no longer uses. So it's a 20. Oops. I can leave it. Oh no, it's even. Yeah, it's up to right here. Yeah, it's look like raspberry colors, right? Yeah. And this inside here. In this bottle, they do have information for you to see too. The same with the box, but they put the label in here so you know, in case you lose this box, it's still here for you to read, to see it. See, this is expired on October 2023. Yeah, I purchased these medicine before they took my channel. And then after more than a year, I got my channel back. And then I forgot these medicines. Finally, I just took them out this year. And then I try one for you to see anyway. For the direction, I already told you. And these are active increasing in each 20 milliliter. It's a proportion, so these name I already read for you in the front. Let me read how the front. Dextromethorphan. I don't know how to read it. Never mind. The first one is for couple of suppression. The second is expectorants, and uses temporary release cough due to the minor thirst and bronchial irritation as may occur with a cold. Number 2, absolution plus mucus and bronchial secretion to drain bronchial tubes. I think I need a new glasses now because a lot of these glasses I cannot read clear anymore. Which means I'm older. So the forewarnings, do not use. Yeah, do not use if you are now taking a prescription monoamine oxidase inhibitor, certain drugs for depression, psychiatric or emotional conditions, or Parkinson's disease, or from 2 weeks after stopping the destination MAOI drug. If you do not know if your prescription drug contains an MAOI, ask a doctor or pharmacist before taking this product. Ask a doctor before use if you have cough that occurs with too much mucus, cough that lasts or is chronic, such as occur with the smoking, asthma, chronic bronchitis, or emphysema. Stop use and ask doctor if cough lasts more than 7 days, come back, or is accompanied by fever, crash, or persistent headaches. This could be sign of a secret